Simply Saffron. I'm Pooja, and today I'm going to show you a Mediterranean vegetarian dish that is a falafel burger. It's going to be flavorful, it's going to be refreshing, and along with that I'm going to show you a simple salad which is very refreshing, that is the tabbouleh salad, and two dips, that is one of the hummus and one of the tzatziki sauce. So let's go and proceed with the recipe. To start with the salad, we are going to take 2 cups of bulgur wheat, and then we are going to add 2 cups of boiling water to it, and we'll add about half a teaspoonful of salt, and this is for 6 people, and so we are going to put a cover and let it soak for 30 minutes. So we have we'll start with the salad. So I already showed you like how to soak the bulgur wheat. So we have let's see how soft and tender it looks. So in this we're going to add about half a cup of chopped onions. So usually the red onions go, but now we have a recall on red onions, so that's why I have the white onions in there, not the white, the yellow onions. And then you have the diced cucumber. This is about half a cucumber. And I have about, let's say, 12 to 15 cherry tomatoes in there. Half. That will give beautiful colors in there. And a small can of olives, any kind of olives, like these are sliced, so you can use Kalamata olives or just plain olives or pimiento stuffed olives, anything, whatever suits you. And then we have, for the dressing, we are going to use like 1/3 of good olive oil, and then we are going to add about half a lemon juice in it. If you want more, you can do that too. Just give a stir in it, and then we're going to pour this in here. Then we'll add about a teaspoonful of salt and some fresh black pepper. Now to add a little bit of heat, you can add red chili flakes, just a little bit, and some chopped parsley, the flat leaf parsley, and then we'll give it a stir. And there you go, your salad is ready. But we'll keep it, that's why we start with the salad first, so that all the flavors just seeps in the salad. So next step is the falafel. Before we proceed to the falafel, because that's the last thing we want to do before we assemble the burger. So this is the TZATZIKI dip or the spread that we are going to do. So this is actually about a cup of yogurt. We'll just mix them all together with a spoon. So in this we are going to add about 2 cloves of garlic, and let's say about half of a cucumber if it is a small, and if it's a big cucumber, let's say 1/4 of a cucumber, just de-seeded and cut into small, or you can grate it too. I just cut it into small pieces so that you get a bite when you eat. So I'm gonna add that, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, some salt, and I'm adding some mint. If you want, you can put parsley or you can put dill, anything which has nice flavor, and also some red chili flakes, and then we'll mix all of them together. And your tzatziki sauce is ready. So we'll keep this aside and we'll proceed with the burger. So for the burger, falafel burger, I have taken about 2.5 cans of garbanzo or chickpea. Now I'm going to make 6 burgers out of this, and I have 2 cloves of garlic and about 1 medium-sized onion and a handful of flat leaf parsley. So we are going to take all these, put it in a food processor and make it like a paste. You don't need to make a paste, it has to have some bite into it. And one quick tip, like this, I'm using the canned ones, right? So it has a lot of liquid, so you have to at least keep it in a sieve and let the water drain for an hour at least. And so let's go and make the burger. So I've made the paste of the chickpeas and the parsley and the onion and garlic. So if this is the texture you want to get. You don't want to make like the hummus paste. So it should be a little bit tighter. So in this we are going to add the salt and some, you can either put black pepper or the chili flakes, whichever suits you, and some, about 2 teaspoonfuls of cumin powder. So this gives the rustic smoky smell into the burger. And now to give it more binding agent, I'm adding about 1/4 cup of flour, just all-purpose flour. Now if you don't want to put this, you can put the chickpea flour too. That blends it beautifully. A little bit at a time. Maybe my bowl is a little small for this. Okay, get rid of it. Add the rest of the flour and mix them together. Now we are going to make the burgers. So I have a burger press here. Not a burger press, it's a burger mold. So just spray some oil in it, and I'm going to use this to shape it. You can just use your both hands and make a patty out of it. So this makes it like more uniform. That's about it. So that's like that, and press it on top like this to give the grill marks. And before you transfer it to the plate, just sprinkle some flour in it, because we want to roll the patty in the flour so that it doesn't break when we fry. Land this here. Sprinkle some on top too. Now at this point, like when you're formed with all the burgers, you can put it in the fridge for a few minutes so that they get formed up a little bit, and then we are going to fry it in the oil. To fry the falafel burgers, we are going to heat up oil in a frying pan, and then we are slowly sliding the burger into the heated oil, and we'll fry it till one side turns golden, and then with the help of 2 spatulas, we are going to slowly turn it upside down and let the other side cook. Once this is cooked, we flip it again, and again with the help of 2 spatulas, and let it become golden brown. It's almost done, so we are going to take it out on a paper so that the excess oil is drained, and this is how it looks. So we are done with the frying of the falafel, and so now we are going to use the assemble the burger. So I have the tzatziki sauce and the hummus. Now this hummus recipe I've already shown before. I have shown the sun-dried hummus. You just use, this one is cilantro and jalapeno. So instead of sun-dried tomato, just add cilantro and jalapeno. So it's your choice. If you want the sun-dried one, that's fine too. So what we're going to do, I'm going to use the tzatziki sauce in the bottom bun. Not a lot, just a little bit. Spread it. Just like that. Maybe a little bit more. That's about it. Then we're going to add the burger. Oh, that looks nice. And a little bit more of the tzatziki sauce. Then the onion. Again, I prefer a red onion. But I have the white onion, so don't worry about that. And then a slice of tomato, and then we're going to take a big dollop of the cilantro, garlicky, and jalapeno hummus, and spread it on the top bun. I have some Argula in here. You can put lettuce, whatever suits you. So we're going to pile a heap on top of that, and then just the burger on top, and there you go, your garlicky, parsley, and everything in there, all kind of fresh flavors in there with the falafel burger. Do you want a cheeseburger now? I don't think so. You want to grab a bite of this one. And oh, I almost totally forgot, we are going to serve the refreshing tabbouleh salad with it. So a little bit of Argula, I have some in there too. Right, and then we're going to spoon the salad in there. The tomatoes looks like little jewels in there. All the flavors, the lemon juice, the garlic, the olive. It's just too refreshing. And the cucumber too. How can I forget the cucumber? And a little bit, since this is a Mediterranean salad, you want a little sprinkle of feta cheese on top. And there you go, your complete vegetarian Mediterranean lunch. You can take it as a dinner too, but I would prefer it as a lunch. So you got your falafel burger and the tabbouleh salad. Hope you'll make it and you'll like it. And don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel, Simply Saffron by Pooja Sil. And also press the bell icon to get all kind of notifications whenever I post a new recipe. And please check the description box below because it has all the list of the ingredients in there, so if you forget. So see you next time then. Bye.